Welcome back, everyone. And today feels special, not just because football is back, but because something big is happening at FC Barcelona. This isn't only about matches returning, it's about the rebirth of a legendary stadium and the future taking shape at Camp Nou. The timing is perfect. Football is back, and the transformation is moving fast. Let's get into it. We begin with the sandwich panels, where progress continues with strong planning and precision. The lower exterior already looks modern thanks to these panels. Now workers are adding small metallic pieces across the surface as part of the finishing phase. These additions are not just visual, they protect the panels and prepare the structure for the next stages. It's a smart, layered approach that keeps everything ready for what's coming next. Now to the black panels in the second sector, one of the most exciting updates right now. Just days ago, this section was only partially covered. Now the installation is close to the halfway mark, showing an impressive speed of work. The visual impact is clear. The black panels add depth, contrast, and a modern look, making the design vision more visible with every passing day. At the top tier, the work is becoming more important from a structural perspective. New pillars are being installed to support the next phase of the compression ring. Each pillar brings the stadium closer to completing the roof structure. At the same time, ground teams are preparing the next elements for lifting. This coordination shows clear planning and steady progress. The third-tier terraces are also moving closer to completion. This adds real progress to the upper structure and shows that this phase is entering its final steps. The development here is both visible and meaningful. All of this work is building directly toward the next big milestone, the roof installation. Now to the key update from President Joan Laporta about the roof installation. He explained that everything depends on how long the process takes. If the disruption is short, matches could be played at the Johan Cruyff Stadium. If it takes longer, a return to Montjuic Olympic Stadium may be needed. While not ideal, this shows the club is planning carefully and staying realistic. The most important update right now is that the compression ring is finally being lifted into place at Camp Nou. This is one of the largest sections so far, weighing around 46 tons, and seeing it rise is a huge moment in the construction process. What makes this even more significant is its role in the future roof structure. This section will act as a key counterweight, supporting the cables that will hold the roof in place. Step by step, these massive elements are coming together, and moments like this clearly show how fast the transformation of Camp Nou is moving forward. Overall, this has been a very positive update. From the sandwich panel finishing to the fast black panel installation, and from the top-tier structure to the roof plans, everything is moving forward with purpose. The transformation of Camp Nou is clearly progressing, and with FC Barcelona back in action, the excitement continues to grow. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next update. Visca Barça!